ASI's role in the promotional products industry is really as the innovation machine, providing technology. We have 20,000 distributor firms that depend on ASI's technology platform to drive their business, and 3,000 suppliers that do the same. So we're really in charge of the technology platform that really drives the entire $26 billion industry of promotional products in North America.
There is truly nothing more important to our business than continuity and disaster recovery. If our online delivery goes down, we literally have 90% of our business disappears. So we need to make sure that our services are reliable, redundantly available, and that no single problem can cause us to shut down. Choosing Microsoft Azure was incredibly important because of the reliability and solving our challenges for high availability and easy backups.
We need to be serving our clients 24/7 every day. So moving to the Azure platform has really allowed us to not worry about those kinds of things and focus instead on what do our clients need and what can we build for them.
ESP is our main product and really the lifeblood of not only ASI, but the lifeblood of the entire industry. To find products, to create presentations, to do virtual samples, so to take a mug and put a logo on it virtually, and that ESP system has over 1 million products categorized and standardized in a way that can be quickly found and presented to clients in the most innovative way. And with Microsoft Azure's platform, I cannot wait to see the innovation yet to come. It's going to be even more powerful, even more comprehensive tool for all of our clients and for the entire industry to continue growing and succeeding.
Moving to Azure has been a real help to ASI's business. We've been able to shift some employees from worrying about patching servers and keeping servers running and worrying about all the things associated with on-premise to worrying about and thinking about what kind of applications can we be developing for our clients and not worrying about some of the day-to-day routine that they were concerned about.
In the past, the discussion is, what do we need to build? You know, the developer will have to build everything that I asked for. Right now, the answer from the architect is, let me look at what Azure have to offer.
I think what surprised the team the most was the maturity of the Azure platform. When we first started to look at it, there were a lot of features being rolled out and made generally available to us. We were able to take these features and incorporate them as part of our plan. We are currently balancing new and old technology. We have set out on this journey to find the best partners, change our business process, and upskill our workforce to be more innovative, agile, and customer-centric.
We pride ourselves on making sure that our employees and our industry have the very best tools. And Azure meets that criteria and makes us a great place to work. Azure helps make sure we have a very reliable service, quick delivery, and we will be even faster in innovation for the future because of a greater tool set online that we can deliver to our members.